how to find and share your Spotify Wrapped. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can basically see your Spotify Wrapped. Simply open up Spotify on your phone, and then after that you guys are going to be able to see this particular dashboard. Now over here, if you guys were to click on the bottom right on your library, then after that you guys should be able to see Spotify Wrapped over here. Now if you guys cannot see Wrapped over here, the best way is to just simply open up a browser, and then after that come over to spotify.com/us/wrapped. Once you guys come over here, then after that just simply click on listen to 2022 highlights, and then it's gonna show you your Wrapped. So guys, that is how you guys can basically find your Spotify Wrapped. And to share Wrapped, simply click on the top right on the share button, then simply copy the link, and then you guys can simply share it with anyone who you might want to. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to actually see Spotify Wrapped in 2022. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.